Hello everyone, welcome to Being Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we focus on data normalization. When I worked as a data architect, my job is creating database, but at the very beginning, I have to study data. Then I'm going to do data normalization and reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. Data normalization would ensure that dependency and that is logically stored. Usually, there are three normal forms used in data normalization. First normal form, second normal form, third normal form. First normal form is each single cell only has single value, and each record needs to be unique and no repeating groups. Second normal form is no any partial dependency of any column on prime key. All non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on prime key. Third normal form is no transitive functional dependency. In our real job, usually we design our data structure between second normal form and third normal form. We usually jump to second normal form directly. Here, I have a HR table like this. We split to two tables, employee table and department table. This on the second normalization level. It still has transitive dependency. We are going to next step. We create a salary table. We create salary reference ID for that. Let's see these three tables. We organize employee table that then organize their relationships on diagrams. Right now, all columns are fully dependent on prime key. If we want to use our data as previous, we should join these three tables to select the useful columns. Good. Today, we done a perfect job. So learn SQL from real jobs. See you next time.